Well, we were having fun. Getting all nice and covered in mud. And getting stalactites and stalagmites growing on my exhaust pipes. Kind of entertaining. Mud everywhere. Tell you what though. Already had one white-tailed deer come nosing down through here. See if we get any more critters. Almost Bigfoot don't show up. No Bigfootses. No Bigfootses. Patiently waiting for my rescue team to arrive. Oh my goodness. Well, like the dealer said at the Polaris shop, if you're looking to save money, sell your ATV. You sure as hell ain't going to save money with them, but you sure will spend it. And apparently he was right.